Hi guys, welcome back. All right, what's new? Got a lot going on from start to finish. Rose bushes, okay. What do we have here? Chrysanthemums, they're back. Welcome back. Decided to give them another chance. You know, around this time, you see them in the stores. I couldn't help it. I said, why not? We'll see. Anyway, salvias, purple salvias, they grow wild. You have to trim them. But the more you trim, the more they grow. Lilacs, however, I'm not too pleased. I'm not worried about the rose bushes over here. They'll do well. Probably don't get enough sun. Mulch looks okay. Those purple ones are verbenas. All right. Okay. Looks okay. I think I'm going to take those lilacs to the backyard and move over the salvias that are in the middle. Let's take a look over here. Vincas, always great. Like I told you before, these are my go-to annuals. Celotias, can't get too much water. I'm starting to realize that. And those New Guinea and Patience, they've been hiding. Concrete, like I stated before, too much water. Up here, you see the difference. Not the same amount of water, and it looks a whole lot better. But next year, I'll do 2 coats, and things should be fine. So I'm okay with this for right now. Okay, I get a better power washer though, trust me. Anyway, the water is causing this issue. So I'm not too disappointed. I know what I have to do moving forward. But again, a lot better than what they were. But we can do better than this. I know we can. Let's go up here. Got a new mat. I took the old mat that was here and took it to the back. Never mind this step again. 2 layers will do. That mat was very cheap at Home Depot, about $5. Pick it up if you can. And as a reminder, moving your annuals or your plants may save them. Remember, they were over here where the chrysanthemums are. So I moved the begonias to where they're at now. Put some red salvias there. Didn't like them. That's why the chrysanthemums are there. But the begonias have been doing well here. Excellent, to be honest with you. The fence, perfect. The thing about buying chrysanthemums around this time, they cost a lot more. You know, you can buy a pack of annuals for very little, maybe a few bucks, and you can get 8 of them, something like that. But each chrysanthemum costs about $2.98, $3.98, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to move over that salvia in the middle. I have to space this area out a lot better. Hold on, that looks okay. Okay, it's okay. Got a lot going on. Got to make some changes. They'll be made next year, though. Okay, guys. Got some decent news. Not great, not good. Decent. Anyway, when upper management brought over the patio set, it was revealed that the stuff I've been using for the front yard is probably killing the grass. Now, over there, that's my neighbor's. See how green it is? I did his a couple years ago. No problem. Now, why is his so nice and green and mine isn't? That's because some grass seeds are in the same family as weed seeds. You remember I told you my problem was, well, maybe it's the roots not getting down and the pebbles that are under. It's probably not the case. I'm using that crabgrass preventer, and this time I didn't even use too much, but I'm using that crabgrass preventer. And again, this isn't Scott's. This was Turf Champ, and those seeds are cheap, and those seeds are probably in the same weed family as that crabgrass preventer. So this is what I've been left with. I hope I can fix it. You know the good thing about these minor bumps in the road, you get to learn and have a better understanding of things. So moving forward, I'll change my grass seed. I'm not saying anything against Turf Champ. I'll just change my seed. I won't use the crabgrass preventer, and I'll see what happens. Got to make adjustments. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.